Kirit Somaiya and Sambit Patra are of the BJP. One is a member of parliament, one is a spokesperson. T.R. Raghunandan of the Center for Policy Research. Mohandas Pai is an entrepreneur, formerly one with Infosys. And Dr. Bejon Mishra, let's start with you. Why do you think they're doing this? I thought the Prime Minister began his Independence Day speech by saying, I'm Pradhan Sevak. The Prime Minister thinks he's a Pradhan Sevak. But the private secretary or whatever PA to the MPs don't think they are. But how is this happening behind his back?
No, it is only because the leaders with whom they are working, they should be setting good examples. In fact, they should be doing away with all these privileges which the MPs are getting. They should reduce. Because our Prime Minister himself has said, he is a Prime Sevak. So as a Prime Sevak, he has to put the message very clear that first governance comes in, then all amenities come. You don't perform through clubs. You can't bring in
clubs.
Performance by being a member of a club.
Yeah, how? They pay for it. If you want to be a member of a club, if you want to be a member of a club, then pay for it.
Yes,
I don't understand.
absolutely.
I don't. Kirit Somaiya,
Why should the tax?
Kirit Somaiya,
Why should the taxpayers play?
Kirit Somaiya, why now these people want membership of the Constitution Club, which has 2 multi-cuisine restaurants, a pastry shop, a very nice billiards table. I'm told they have fully functional gym. They have separate halls where you can have banquets and parties. Why should they get it? You didn't want the Lal Batti culture, but you seem to have introduced a super Lal Batti culture.
Let me correct.
Yes.
I don't think BJP or the government will appreciate or support such type of attitude of any.
That's what you are saying after we have exposed it.
I'm very much disturbed.
No, after we have exposed it, you are saying you are disturbed. This has been signed by almost 70% of the private secretaries. It has happened officially. A letter has been given to Mr. Santosh Gangwar, okay, who is the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. It was happening behind everybody's back. Means हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और कुछ कहते हैं कुछ करते हैं आप किरित सोमैया जी, you know what I'm talking about. You say that we are against Lal Batti culture, but you end up doing the same thing and worse. Now even the PAs are VIPs in your government.
Whether you will allow, after asking a question, you will allow somebody to respond.
Please do. Please do.
Yeah, I say I'm really feeling sorry. I appreciate, I support your concern. I'm feeling sorry.
No, what do I do with your feeling sorry? I'm feeling sorry as well.
Now at least listen, yaar. I'm saying I'm sorry. It is a really very bad. Such demands have been raised. We never support. I support your concern. We will never appreciate.
No, now you are exposed, so you say this. This is a post-exposure reaction.
Who said expose?
Today we've exposed it on TV. We exposed on TV today.
Has presented somewhere.
No, presented. It's been given to Santosh Gangwar. No, it's been signed. And I want to ask you, Sambit Patra. Mohandas Pai can come in right after. I want to ask you, Sambit Patra, how is it that BJP and BJP allies, the secretaries should have some special treatment? They should have special access. They should have special membership of Constitution Club. You know, they should be allowed to use the restaurants there. In fact, they should get free, free air transportation facility, free rail travel, special VIP passes for the canteen.
Wow. What not?
This is completely ridiculous.
What more? What more?
I don't even believe this is happening, but it is.
Arnab, I believe, has the government granted to these demands?
The government has accepted it. It's been signed. It's been accepted. The copy of the letter is there.
Why should they demand?
There is a
why should they demand?
Secretaries going on with the
Why should they demand?
Near Pune. This has been formally put.
Let there be no ceasefire.
Why should they demand?
You think they would have demanded all of them get together and make a demand with nobody knew?
Have ceasefire violation. Let me complete.
No, 1 second. Nobody knew about this.
Yeah.
All had the ceasefire
282 members of parliament, all their secretaries signed the letter and nobody knew.
You have asked a question.
No, nobody knew.
Who said 282 signed? Arnab, who said 282?
282 MPs are there.
No,
I don't
having
think
combat
282
within
have
yourself.
signed.
You're not allowing the concerned person to answer.
No, I don't understand. Just because you're cornered on this, don't react badly. Yeah, go ahead.
No one is cornered. No one is cornered. The government has not acceded to these demands. Anyone in this country is available to write a letter and give it to the government. The government will accept the
Please, the
letter. Will give you a diary number because that is how the government functions.
No,
the government
it's not
can accept any. You write a letter and give it to the government. The government will accept
this has
the
been
letter.
signed by all
Everyone is
the. This
supposed
has
to
been
accept the
signed.
letter.
This
But
has
the
been
government
signed
has-
by the majority
No,
of
this has not
assistants of
been signed by any
BJP and
MPs.
allies MPs. It has been signed
Yes.
and duly
No,
given,
this is-
and
no,
Santosh
MPs have not-
Gangwar, it has
MPs have
been,
not
it has
signed.
been officially
Don't say
released.
that.
It has
Don't-
been
don't
officially
misquote.
released.
No
It has been
MP has
officially
signed it.
released.
No
The media
MP
has got a
signed
hand
it.
onto it.
No
This has been officially
No,
released.
no, Arnab, don't misquote
I am only
facts
putting
over
this
here.
to you because you promised you'd get
mislead
rid
your
of the Lal
audience.
Batti culture.
Don't mislead your audience.
I am
Don't
putting the
mislead
facts
your
out. Be
audience.
careful
No
before you
MP
say
has
things
signed
like
this
that.
letter.
Be careful before saying things like that.
Show me a letter. Show me a letter where the MP, where the member of
How many
parliament has
have
signed
signed
this
that?
letter. Show me the letter.
Mr. There is a Mr. Kirit Somaya and Sambit Patra. Mr. Kirit Somaya and Sambit
No
Patra.
MP has signed this letter.
Mr. Kirit Somaya and Sambit Patra.
He has not signed.
No one has signed this
Why you are
letter.
lying that 282
Government will
has signed?
accept any letter that anyone writes a letter. The government
Can
has
a private
accepted the letter.
secretary
The
sign
government
this
has
of the
not
MP
done
or not?
anything with it. Why a non-issue becomes an issue?
I'll tell you, these are non-issues.
non-issues.
Of course, these are non-issues. Of course, for you now, they are. Elections are over.
Because the government has not accepted.
Elections
The government
are
has
over.
not
And a
accepted. That is why
Elections are over.
Had the government
You
accepted
see,
anything,
Mohandas
then he should have debated.
Mohandas Pai, what does this tell you? 1 minute, please. Gambit, calm down.
It tells
Calm
you
down.
very clearly that the MP has approved his private secretary signing the letter. It shows that consent has been given. It shows the attitude of mind of that MP who allows his private secretary to write such letters and sign such letters. It shows the feudal attitude out of representatives whose private secretaries want this. And the culture that is developing of getting all freebies for
Mr.
themselves.
Pai.
We must stop this, Arnab. I think the
This
BJP
is
party
a-
has to make it very
this is
clear
a-
they will not
Yes.
support it, they
This
will not approve of it,
Mr.
and
Pai,
reprimand
tell me
their
one thing.
MPs.
You
I don't
were
think-
the health
I don't
affairs
think-
of Infosys for such a long span of time.
I don't
Is
think-
it that you
Mr.
dictated
Patra,
every
listen to
movement
others.
of
I'd
your
like to go to
secretary?
Mr.
Is it that
Raghunandan.
any letter that your secretary ever wrote to
I am
Infosys,
telling you, Mr.
you
Patra,
got to it that whatever
I
you
don't
under
think-
me will dare to write such a
I
letter.
don't think any private secretary, I agree with.
To write
They
such
are
a
all
letter under
entitled
me.
to individual letter. But remember,
Nobody will
the
dare to
government
write
does
such a
not give
letter.
to these letters. So why a non-issue
Okay,
becomes
so-
the issue?
so you know
no.
what,
Everyone in this country is free to write letters. But remember, the
Mr.
government
Patra,
has not heeded
Mr.
to
But
Patra,
not the
listen
private
please.
responsibility.
Mr. Patra,
That's why
listen
it is
please. You know,
important that
Mr.
this is
Patra, what
an
am I
issue.
telling you
And we are
these
making an
days?
issue out of it.
Mr. Patra, please listen, listen. Firstly, I know you are in ruling party nowadays. You don't have to make it so evident. I know you're in ruling party. I know when people are in ruling party, they feel they are really ruling. You know, even on debates, they want to rule completely. They don't want to let anyone speak. But don't make it so evident. Point is, what is a simple point? We are making 2 points, right? First point, I'd like to get Mr. Raghunandan in. First point is, I don't think any group of private secretaries, which is representing all BJP and allies private secretaries, can in hundreds get together and send a letter to the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, Santosh Gangwar, without getting some kind of an approval from their respective bosses, MPs. One. Okay, now one second.
They can write.
One
They can
minute,
write.
1 minute,
Just-
listen
they can
please.
write.
Listen
Just-
please.
no,
Listen.
let me
Okay.
modify this
Second
statement.
point.
I'm listening. I'm
Second
listening.
point.
Let me. Allow
Second
me.
point
Allow me.
is no, I will not
No,
allow.
let's
Please
listen to the second point first.
Listen. Second point.
Let us listen to the second point.
Yeah, listen to the second point. It won't hurt you. Listen to the second point. Then they say, we also want special attention in appointments done by the state government. We want more money. We want VIP car passes. We want VIP canteen passes. We want to use all these facilities and the banquet hall at the Constitution Club. We want free air travel, free rail travel. And you're telling me that your government, which said we'll remove the Aam Aadmi Lal Batti culture, all this is happening without the knowledge of the MPs, then I must say, your MPs don't know what's going around in their own private
Yes.
secretaries. How will they take care of their
no,
constituencies?
Arnab,
I haven't
tell
heard
me one
something so
thing.
ridiculous as this before.
Arnab,
Mr.
tell me one
Raghunandan,
thing.
Mr.
Arnab,
Raghunandan, can the
tell me one
BJP get
thing.
away by saying we
Arnab,
didn't know?
let me answer.
Can they get
This is
away by
wrong
saying we
trend.
didn't know this was
You
going
should
on before it
allow
came
the
on Times
panelists
Now?
to answer if
Mr.
you ask a
Raghunandan,
question.
please let me
Tell
get
me
his
one
views.
thing,
I
if
said
your
I know
camera
you're from the
person
ruling party.
Or if your
I said I know you're from the
write a
ruling
letter
party.
to you
I said I know
demanding
you're from the
something,
ruling
Are
party,
you
but-
responsible for it?
Mr.
Are you responsible for for
Mr.
it.
Raghunandan.
So exactly the
Mr.
same
Mr.
way,
Raghunandan.
the
Mr.
secretaries
Yes,
have written a
Mr.
letter.
Raghunandan.
Why
Yes,
should the government
yes.
be responsible for the letter written by the secretary?
Oh, yes, please. Now that's the last line of argument that we didn't know
That shows the
about.
attitude.
Yeah.
That shows the attitude.
No. You tell me, if your cameraman, if the channel's cameraman or the channel's reporters
Not about
write a
cameraman,
letter of
personal
demand to the
secretary,
editor-in-chief,
private secretary.
is anyway the editor-in-chief responsible for it?
Okay, so I'll tell you a ground rule.
Chief is not
No,
responsible.
I'll tell you a ground rule. I'll tell you a ground
the
rule.
secretaries are not responsible.
I'll tell you-
If they
I'll
write
tell you a
letter to
ground
the
rule.
The government has not
I'll
acceded
tell you
to
a
the
ground
demands.
rule. I'll tell you a ground rule. Now, I am of the view, and I always
no,
say,
no, government
Wow,
can't
my
get
Mr.
away like
Mr.
this.
Amir,
No.
I always say, don't take any favors from anyone in the government. Now, if I get to know that people are taking favors from people in the government in my organization, right, behind my back, and if I say that there is some corruption going on of that kind,
is
and
not
if I
the
know
issue.
about it, I don't act against, it's my fault.
That is
In
not
this
the
case, I
issue.
brought it to your notice.
They
Sack
can
the private
write
secretaries.
of their own organization to
Sack
you.
the private secretaries.
They
Why
are
don't you?
entitled to write
Then
letters.
all the private
We can
secretaries who
clear
sign
the
this should
letter.
be
We can
sacked.
clear the letter and throw.
You sack all the private secretaries. Sack them.
These are private secretaries, Samit Partha.
Sack them.
They are private secretaries, not
what-
anybody else. They report to the
So why
MP. The MP is the direct boss. Please
Baba,
understand.
they have not done.
Kirit Somaya.
They have written a letter which the government
Are
has
you
not
going to
accepted.
allow
That
Mohit
is
to
all.
Participate?
Yes, Mr. Somaya, please participate. Because Raghunandan has not
That is
spoken
not
yet.
the
That's all.
point.
Yeah.
Mr. Arnab,
Yes.
I do agree, and I once again repeat, Sandeep, please keep quiet. Sandeep, please, for a minute. I certainly, we never appreciate such attitude of our personal secretaries. Arnab.
Thank you.
We never appreciate.
Great.
We will certainly tell
Great.
such secretaries that this is not appreciated,
Thank
this is
you.
not supported, and we will also tell
Thank you.
if
Wonderful.
such type of behavior in future will not be
Thank
allowed.
you. Thank you.
It is an error. It is
Thank
an
you.
error. Whoever
No,
the
it's not an
personal
error.
secretaries have crossed the limit. We can't support. And what you say, which I really acknowledge, this should not have happened. But if in individual capacity, if some certain PS have demanded something, we never support.
Good. Now you sack
Simultaneously,
their leader.
I
Sack the
say
one who was organizing all this.
It is not good. It is not good.
Very good. Sack them. Sack them for demanding these
Right.
privileges and destroying
Sack
the
them,
culture
yes.
of a government where the Prime Minister says, I am a Pradhan Sevak. Or we'll expose them. Yes, Mr. Raghunandan, sorry, I haven't even come to you. You've heard all the excuses Mr. Samit Patra has given. What would you say to him?
Well, basically, the point is that if one or two people had written an isolated letter to the government, I would have, I can say that the MPs might not have known it. But when 70% of the private secretaries together write a letter, it's very hard to believe that their bosses did not know about it. That's the first point. The second point is that what are the privileges that they're asking for? If you look at the privileges that they're asking for, and let us apply a very objective test to these privileges. As a taxpayer, I don't mind paying for certain privileges if it enhances the professional competency of the MP. If it allows my MP to perform better in Parliament, which is why I have elected that MP there, then I don't mind it. So from that perspective, I don't think it's a problem to give them passes, for example, to enter Parliament or to have free access to ministries, etc., because it really enables them to collect material and brief their MP, etc. But getting privileges in clubs and free air travel, etc., doesn't pass the professional competency test. The private secretary going on a junket or traveling all over the place doesn't enhance the professional competency of the MP. And I think we need to also step back and take a look at this whole trend of trying to use privileges as something to separate people from lesser mortals. That's not why we put them in there in the first place. I am, as a taxpayer, I once again emphasize,
Yes,
I have
that's right.
absolutely no problem with supporting an MP with interns, with professional competent people to assist him. An MP has to do a tough job and he or she must be supported. But that's not so that you can collect a whole patronage, apparatus, along with you, and they just go around all over the country spending my money. I don't think that's possible. So
I think-
as far as I am concerned, I am saying, fine, give them the passes to enter Parliament.
I
Give them
agree.
the passes to enter the government.
I agree
but
with
no
you.
club memberships, no air travel, And I think we should also examine all the other privileges that we are also giving the MPs. I think
Yeah,
it's the
we
right
did
time
it,
to
we
look
did
at
it,
all
but
this
you know,
in
I'll
the
tell
light
you,
of what the
Mr.
Prime Minister himself
No,
said.
Mr. Raghunandan, you know, the Prime Minister said I'm Pradhan Sevak, but when we said all these VVIP attitude which they have in airports, all the privileges they want for themselves when they go to an airport, we exposed it. Did the government take complete action? No. Did the government promise to do away with the Lal Batti culture before the elections? Yes. Will they take action against these private secretaries? Would they have
Yes,
taken
they
action had Times Now not put it out? No. Will they take action now? I don't know. All I know, and the reason I'm doing this is not because anyone feels bad that these people want to be VIPs. It's against the grain of what you promised the people of this country. So when the BJP MPs do this,
Absolutely.
and having said we'll change the Lal Batti culture of the Congress, when the BJP MPs and their secretaries are caught red-handed trying to do this, then it really feels like you said one thing and you're doing another. It's my job to put it out there. I thank you all. Let's introspect. Thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.